Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days. Now the price, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $68.97. Okay, there are two patterns are forming if you look at this particular trend. The first pattern is that if the price sustain above a level of 69.8, we can see there will be a further upside movement and then it will cross a level of 70.4. But if the price started falling below this particular level of 67.26, a further downfall we can see, and then it will move below a level of $65.35. Okay, and once the price moving below that particular level, chances are high it will cross further low, and yes, there is a higher chance that it will move below a level of $63.6 and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, chances of going further low will be there. But if the price keep moving above this level, probability of moving further upside we can see towards $71.15, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now if you look at this trend, there is a higher chances that if the price fall below a level of 68.36, there is a higher chances that it can move below 66 to a level of 65.42. But if the price keep moving over 69.9, it can cross a level of $70.2, and from there it will move above 71.5, and from there a level of $72.61. This is what we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what is the probability? See, if you look at this particular trend, there is a higher chances of going further upside because the trend has formed at this level and the dollar index is also moving down. Before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at the dollar index, you will see how the price is moving. See, dollar index is trying to go down because it is forming up this particular pattern, but if the price keeps sustaining over 104.2, we can see the dollar index will further upside and can cross a level of around 104.7. Okay, and this level is already weak, so we can see further high. But if the price didn't sustain, it can further fall towards a level of 103.8, and if the price started falling below this level, it will move below a level of $103.2. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see, so probability of touching 102.9 will be there, and then it will touch a level of 101.8, and once the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 101.3 to a level of $101. Okay, and then a further downfall. But if the price sustain this level, it will touch a level of 104.4. From there it will cross a level of 104.7. Okay, and then there is a zone breakout towards an upside we can see towards 104.7, and then a further high towards a level of 105.4, and then to a level of 105.6 to a level of $106. Okay, and then a further upside towards 106.5 we can see, and then a further upside movement. Okay, remember that when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of crude will come down. Okay, when the dollar index started going down, we will see the crude price will go up. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, see, whenever you started it, put your SL, and once you're in profit, try to trail it so your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. Coming back again on the crude price, what we can see, suppose if the crude price sustain this level, there are high that if the price started falling below this level, let's see, if the price didn't sustain this level, it can touch a level of 68.49, and once the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of $67.89, and if the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 66.7 we can see, and from there a level of around $65.9. Suppose if the price started falling below this level, chances are high it will cross a level of 65.2, which is already being tested, so we can see the price will move further down, and then a probability of touching a level of around, we can say because this level we have seen after a very long time. So in the month of May 23 we have seen this, so we can see the price can touch a level of $65.4, and from there a further downfall we can see 64.4, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of $63.6, and then a further fall. Okay, but if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can touch a level of 69, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of 70.24, and then there is a zone breakout, so we can see the price will move towards 70.5. okay, and if the price moving above this level, probability of touching 71.18 will be there, and then a further upside we can see towards a level of 71.9. okay, and if once started moving above that particular level, chance of touching a level of 73 we can see, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of $74.4, and if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 75.2 we can see, and then a further upside will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,